I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Standing all day can be brutal, but the right shoes can make all the difference. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that promise comfort and support.
Product number 1. Dr. Scholl's Walk Longer Insoles. When I first slipped on the Dr. Scholl's Walk Longer insoles, I felt an instant change. Walking around, I noticed that the plush foam cushioning really cradled my feet, almost like they were hugging them. After a long day running errands, I realized I had walked significantly longer without that familiar ache creeping in. These insoles promise to help you walk 50% longer without muscle fatigue, and they deliver on that promise. What I love about these insoles is their versatility. They fit into virtually any shoe, whether it's a pair of sneakers or casual loafers. I trimmed them easily to fit my size, utilizing the guidelines printed on the insole. The plush comfort is remarkable. It absorbs shock with every step, protecting my joints and giving me the energy to keep moving. However, while they excel in comfort, they do require a break-in period. Initially, I felt a bit of pressure on my arches, but that subsided after a few days. One downside is that they may not fit perfectly in shoes with a narrow toe box. If you have snug-fitting shoes, you might want to consider that. So, why should you buy these insoles? If you spend long hours on your feet, whether commuting, working, or just being active, these insoles can be a game changer. They provide the support and cushioning you need to keep moving without fatigue, and the odor-neutralizing layer adds an extra touch of freshness. For just $14.97, they're a small investment for big comfort. If you're serious about your foot health, this is a no-brainer.
Product number 2. Cloud soles for men and women. I stumbled upon the cloud soles while searching for something to relieve my foot pain. With a price tag of only $9.98, I was skeptical but hopeful. The moment I put them in my shoes, it felt like walking on clouds. The memory foam conformed to the shape of my feet, providing support that I didn't even know I needed. What struck me the most was the breathability of these insoles. The perforated honeycomb design allowed air to circulate, keeping my feet cool and dry throughout the day. I've worn them during long shifts at work, and they've consistently helped alleviate the pressure on my arches and heels. The U-shaped heel design also provided excellent shock absorption, which is a must for anyone who stands for long periods. However, the insoles aren't without their drawbacks. While they're easily trimmable, the cutting process can be tricky. I recommend taking your time to ensure a perfect fit. Also, they may not be as durable as pricier options, but for the cost, I find them to be an incredible value. If you're looking for effective pain relief without breaking the bank, these insoles are a fantastic choice. They give you the support you need for all-day comfort, making them ideal for both casual wear and work. At $9.98, you can't afford to skip on these if you value your foot health.
Product number 3. Dr. Scholl's Work All Day Superior Comfort Insoles. I was on the hunt for something to keep my feet from feeling like lead after long days at work, and the Dr. Scholl's Work All Day Superior Comfort Insoles caught my attention. Priced at $12.89, I was curious if they could genuinely deliver on their promise of superior comfort. The first time I used them, I was astounded by how they immediately cushioned my feet. The massaging gel technology provided a delightful sensation with every step, easing the strain I typically felt after my shifts. These insoles are designed specifically for those of us who endure physically demanding jobs. They distribute pressure evenly across my feet, significantly reducing muscle fatigue. I found that I could stand for longer periods without feeling exhausted. Plus, the adaptive cushioning responded beautifully to my movement, giving me that extra energy return that I desperately needed. On the flip side, while they do offer great comfort, the insoles can feel a bit bulky in shoes that are not designed for such cushioning. Also, because they are gel-based, some may find them less breathable compared to foam alternatives. In conclusion, if you work long hours on hard surfaces, these insoles are an excellent investment. They alleviate the pressure and pain that come with standing all day, making them a must-have for anyone serious about foot comfort. At $12.89, they are a small price for the comfort they provide.
Product number 4. Skechers Women's Uno Stand on Air Sneakers. When I first slipped on the Skechers Women's Uno Stand on Air sneakers, I was pleasantly surprised. Priced at $56.24, these shoes are more than just a pretty face. They boast premium comfort technology that really lives up to its name. The air-cooled memory foam insole felt like a soft pillow hugging my foot. I wore them on a day packed with errands, and by the end of the day, my feet felt as good as they did when I first put them on. The visible air-cushioned midsole adds an extra layer of comfort, absorbing shock with every step. Not only do these sneakers provide great support, but they also feature a stylish wedge design that makes them versatile for casual outings or even a light workout. The flexible rubber outsole provided excellent traction without feeling cumbersome. However, I did notice that the sizing runs a bit small, so I recommend trying them on if possible, or ordering a half size up. Additionally, while they are stylish, they may not be the best option for more formal settings. So, why should you consider these sneakers? If you're looking for a shoe that combines function with fashion, the Skechers Uno is a fantastic option. They are ideal for anyone who spends long hours on their feet but still wants to look good while doing it. For $56.24, you get both comfort and style, making them worth every penny.
Product number 5. Skechers Women's Squad SR Food Service Shoes. I was on the lookout for a solid pair of work shoes, and the Skechers Women's Squad SR Food Service Shoes caught my eye at $47.60. Let me tell you, these shoes were built for those of us who spend our days on our feet. The slip-resistant traction outsole immediately reassured me, especially given the hazards of wet and oily surfaces. I felt confident navigating the kitchen and dining areas during my shifts. The memory foam cushioned insole was a game changer. It provided a roomy fit at the toe and forefoot, which I absolutely loved. I often wear these shoes for long hours, and they have consistently delivered all-day comfort. The 3M Scotchgard treatment is another plus, as it repels water, and I didn't have to worry about spills ruining my day. On the downside, while the slip-on design is super convenient, it might not provide the same level of support as a traditional laced shoe. Also, I found that they could feel a bit heavy after prolonged wear, which is something to consider if you're on your feet all day. Why should you buy these shoes? If you work in a fast-paced environment where safety and comfort are paramount, these are a great choice. They combine practicality with comfort, making them perfect for food service or any job that requires you to be on your feet for hours. For $47.60, they're a smart investment in your foot health.